I found this out in the wild. So that's a feral pig skull. I know
It
that
is,
because of the
really.
length. But here is, and if I would take better care of things, but
Oh my goodness.
So here is actually how it kind of works. But see, their snouts are longer.
Yeah.
But they also have the top tusks that just only grow a little bit. So this is why we tell people, and that's how. So as babies, when their tusk grows, you know, they grow out because that's their only weapon for a pig is the tusk. And it grows at an angle. Females stop growing; they don't continue to grow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like our teeth, and then it just stops. Males continue to grow, and I'm going to take you and show you some pigs with tusks. So you get people that see it and it's like scary, so they cut them off. We all did, but we've done studies. Why are they getting these jaw infections back here?
Yeah.
And I lost my Duke to it, and I really studied because they get abscesses and for him, he caught his tusk and broke it, so it broke down, and that's what caused the infection.
And show me again. So it goes all the way back into the jaw.
So, yeah, it goes. This is where the tusk starts. This is why when a breeder will say, "Oh, well, we had the tusks removed." I get this from people, but the thing is, you don't see a tusk on a pig until they're almost 2. At a year old, that tusk is a baby tooth.
And there's no way that you could be able to remove that as it was like it's just embedded in there.
You
so
can't pull it because if you pull it, you can't. It's like strung through. I mean, this is the tusk. So when they and breeders, you ask them because that's me. I say, "Oh, do they have tusks?" No, I removed them. I have a pig. I said. She goes, "Well, the breeder." I said, "Let me see the tusks." That tells me how old the pig is. You know, especially when they say the daddy's only 10 pounds, and